beautiful inky friends. Welcome back. Today is day 1919. Let's see what we have. Festive Joy, a purple. Yay! This is fun and something different. This is a standard ink. So let's swatch it out. All right, I've got my swatch card here and my paintbrush, and let's zoom in a little bit. It is a beautiful deep purple. This is gorgeous. I do love purple. Let's just kind of keep it going here. Add a little bit more. This is my little tiny liner brush. I don't know why I keep grabbing this one to do my swatch cards, but it's fun. So go ahead and we will get our glass dip pen, and it does flow quite smoothly off of the glass nib. And we'll write our label here, Festive Joy. I like that. Let's do a little heart too. There we go. We'll see how that looks. It's so dark, it almost looks black. There we go. Let's push that off to the side. And here is our Mnemosyne pad. So we will swatch it out there. Oh my goodness, look at this. Somebody grab me some peanut butter because we got some jelly on this page. That is so beautiful. I'm loving this color already. It's so deep. Wow. Okay, let's get the rhodia and we'll go ahead and swatch it out here as well. Just so very deep. Quite beautiful. Look how it flows. The ink is just still flowing down the page. So maybe it's a little bit wetter than some of the other inks that we've had, which is totally fine. And now day 19. I cannot believe we're coming down to the wire. A video every day has been quite a lot, I have to say. I had a horrible migraine yesterday, so I'm like catching up today to try and get everything done. So let's swatch the ink here very carefully with my teeny tiny brush. Makes it go slower, but you know, at the same time it's still very satisfying to fill in this box with this beautiful purple ink. So we'll go ahead and add just a little bit more there, and then as usual we will pop this off to the side, let it dry, and then check back with you guys in just a little bit. I'm gonna go grab me a sandwich now that I said that. Okay, I had a delicious lunch and now we're gonna check out this Festive Joy. That heart almost looks black. It's amazing. And look here, for a standard ink, we do have a bit of almost a golden sheen. And again, that is because I put on my swatches very heavy. So again, you can kind of see it here, which is beautiful, but I'm loving just that straight basic purple there. And let's check to see, whoops, we've got to see. There we go. No bleed through, which is amazing, seeing as how much I put on there. So that's pretty cool. And now we've got our rhodia. Again, you can see just a hint of that sheening there, kind of like a golden color. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but you can definitely see it in person. And then again, look at that. Boom, no bleed through. So that is perfect. And of course, we have our Hobonichi journal here. And see, you can see just that bit of sheen there, but I mean, it's not supposed to be a sheening ink, but again, no bleed through, which is amazing. I'm loving this color. I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like. Let's grab that chromatography and see what we have. All right, I've got my little journal there, and then here we go. Ta-da! So it's very kind of like a lilac-y sort of blue purple, and then we have that hot pink at the top there. So that pink and the blue together will create that gorgeous purple. So we'll put that off to the side. And we will open up our journal. So here was yesterday's Sub-Zero. I was loving that frosty look we got with the shimmer. So we will go ahead and turn to a new page today. The book is getting so thick. This is exciting. So I'm going to grab my washi tape here. As usual, I will put a border around the outside of the journal pages. I will speed up the video, add some music, and I will check back with you at the end. So please enjoy the painting. So I'm just finishing up adding just a little bit of sprigs of brush that are coming through, maybe the snow, foggy, misty woods. This was such a fun one to do. I just did that deep purple, and then all I did was take water with my paintbrush and put the water on, and then I pulled up that color to create that cool kind of spooky effect. So we're going to just finish drying this here, and then we'll go ahead and take off the tape. Just want to make sure it's good and dry so I don't smudge anything. I really love the kind of misty effect that this created. Whoops, let's grab some of that ink there off the washi tape so I don't get it all over my hands, which, you know, happens on the daily. So we'll peel off our tape here and then reveal the piece up close. There's a, I don't know if you caught it, it was kind of hard to see in the picture, but actually there's a little ghosted figure coming out of the forest here. So we've got our deep, deep purples that came down, and you have hints of the pink there. So see, can you see it? There it is. A little spooky figure kind of hidden there within the mist. So, this was a fun one. I actually really enjoyed the purple, and I definitely think that this is a color that I'll probably write with in my everyday pen. It gets so dark, it's almost black. So that was wonderful. Thank you guys again for tuning in with me today for day 19. Stay tuned till tomorrow to see what color we're going to play with next. Thank you so much again for all the support, encouragement, and love. And until the next time, happy creating.